Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the Right Honorable Speaker, Senior Counsel, Dr. Moses Wetangula, the Deputy Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya, the Attorney General, Senior Counsel, Dorcas Oduor, all the Senior Counsel present, the President of the Law Society, the Chairman of the Senior Counsel Bar, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning. Let me begin by congratulating each one of the men and women, distinguished Kenyans, who have been conferred with the rank and dignity of Senior Counsel. I also want to thank Your Excellency for finding time to confer this dignity upon our learned colleague. Today's conferment of this esteemed rank marks not only personal achievement, but also a national affirmation that the Senior Counsel's career, who have been conferred with that honor this morning, has met the highest standards of excellence. Section 17 of the Advocates Act makes it clear that only those who have demonstrated irreproachable integrity, exemplary professional conduct, and distinguished service may be elevated to this rank. Your conferment of the rank of Senior Counsel is therefore not accidental. It reflects your years of ethical practice, intellectual rigor, and unwavering fidelity to the rule of law. This honor also imposes on you obligations, and by being inducted into the rank and dignity of Senior Counsel, you now step into a calling of leadership within the profession. The younger generation of lawyers will continue to look upon you for guidance, not only in the legal craftsmanship, but also in ethical conduct. Your lives, your choices, and your professional culture will shape the future of the bar. You are now the custodians of our professional conscience, and that comes with the duty to lead conversations on ethical renewal and to model the virtues that distinguish law as a novel profession. I therefore challenge the senior bar to take the lead in mentoring advocates and in nurturing a professional culture where competence is inseparable from integrity. It falls upon you, colleagues, to ensure that the legal profession remains a guardian of justice rather than merely a marketplace of legal transactions. In addition, you have a duty to lead the way in nurturing a dignified bar-bench relations. The bar and the bench are not rivals. We are partners in a shared value of ensuring our constitutional project of upholding justice and safeguarding the rule of law becomes a success and a daily endeavor. The Senior Counsel Bar must step forward to restore and nurture healthy, respectful, and principled bar-bench relations. You carry the institutional memory and moral authority to remind the profession of the traditions that have sustained the legal practice for generations. And that is courtesy and mutual respect. I urge you to lead the way in restoring the reputation of the legal profession to that glorious past. Lastly, Your Excellency, the stature of the senior counsel who have been conferred this morning now stands beyond the courtroom. It also stands beyond their chambers. With this recognition, they become statesmen and stateswomen of our republic. They become voices whose counsel matters in the public square. And I urge them to use this elevated platform to promote national unity, constitutional fidelity, responsible civic dialogue, and the protection of our democratic ideals and our democratic institutions. Let your influence contribute to building a society that values justice, fairness, and respect of the rule of law. I am very confident that you will rise to this responsibility with the same distinction that has defined your careers over many years. Once more, on behalf of the Judiciary, I congratulate you on this honor. May you carry this title with humility, vision, and unwavering integrity.